Let's see how you can find or create your 2D and 3D assets. There are dozens of websites that you can download free 2D or 3D assets from. One of these websites is opengameart.org. What I love about this website is that I can search on their website and find my 2D or 3D art or even soundtrack that I need about this keyword that I searched. Just keep a lookout on the license of the products while you're downloading the assets to make sure they are 100% free. You can check out the video about the licenses to learn more about that. The next one is Kenny.nl. Kenny provides dozens of game arts in 2D and 3D, as well as some UI packs and audio as well. Their art packs are really of high quality. I recommend you check them out. If you're looking for icons for your game or for your UI, I suggest you take a look at Freepik. You can find all sorts of icons and vectors in their website. There are, however, some graphics on their website that are not free, but you can simply click on the free button to see only the free versions of the graphics that you want. And of course, if you're using Unity, Unity's asset store is a very good source for finding 3D or 2D graphics, as well as visual effects or even audio and soundtracks. And of course, if you're just prototyping and looking for free things, you can always check the free assets checkmark. If you're not satisfied by downloading other people's assets, you can always create yours. GIMP is a free and open source software that you can use to create 2D assets and 2D graphics. You can see GIMP as a free version of Photoshop. If you're looking to create 3D assets, Blender is a software that is free to use. Just like GIMP, Blender is also completely open source and free.